Hi guys, welcome to day 11 of writing. So make sure that you have your opinion writing paper. Let me find it out with you. You'll need this for today's lesson, where it says opinion at the top and reasons at the bottom. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. All right, let's think about the target real quick. So I can generate ideas for reasons that support an opinion. Okay, so we are still going to be thinking about our book, Down in the Garden, Up in the Garden, Down in the Dirt. So let's think about first, what is opinion writing? So when we write an opinion tells what you feel or think about something. So we can start with I think, I feel, I like, my favorite is, and the reasons why you feel or think the way you do. Okay, remember, your opinion is not going to be wrong. It is your opinion. Okay. All right, so we are thinking about the book Up in the Garden, Down in the Dirt, and all the plants and all of the animals and the insects that help the garden grow. Yesterday, we thought about 3 different animals and insects that help gardens grow. Okay, so I'm going to read an opinion piece, something that was written, and talking about what is the most important animal or insect in a garden. So ants are the most, so ants in a garden. So let me just underline the title real quick. Ants in a garden. So just to let you guys know, insects can be called animals. So I'm going to read it animals, okay? Ants are the most important animals in a garden. So my opinion is who is the most important? Ants. So I'm going to circle ants. Now I need to find the 2 reasons why I think ants are the most important. Okay, Miss Guidi's opinion is that ants are the most important. They are the most important because they help plants grow by spreading pollen. So the first reason, and I'm going to circle it in purple, is because they help plants grow by spreading pollen. So here is my first reason. And they help plants grow by spreading pollen. What is another insect that spreads pollen? Honeybees. Bees do. Their tunnels also bring air to the soil. So my second reason, and I'm going to do it in a darker blue, is that their tunnels, so they bring air to the soil with their tunnels. Okay? So those are my 2 reasons. They help plants grow by spreading pollen, and their tunnels bring air to the soil. Now here is my strong finish. That is why every garden should have ants. This is my strong finish. I'm going to underline it in red. My strong finish is that is why every garden should have ants. That is my strong finish to my opinion piece. So I'm going to read it again, okay? Ants are the most important animals in a garden. They are the most important because they help plants grow by spreading pollen. Their tunnels also bring air to the soil. That is why every garden should have ants. That's my strong finish. So let's look at how I organized my opinion. So here is my worksheet. So it says ants are most important. And you can see my picture of my ants. So I need 2 reasons to support why I think ants are the most important. My first reason is that they spread pollen to help plants grow. My second reason is that they create tunnels to bring air to the soil. So my opinion is I think ants are the most important, and I have 2 reasons why I think ants are the most important, okay? So you are going to choose one ant. You can actually, you know what? Choose the insect or animal that you did yesterday for I think this is the most important in the garden, and you're going to put it in your opinion up top and the 2 reasons why. So let's refresh. So honeybees help pollinate plants. They help fertilization. They help watermelon and cucumbers grow. So let's think about honeybees. So honeybees and bumblebees help pollinate plants in a garden. When they fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen, they also transfer pollen from one flower to another, leading to fertilization. Without an exchange of pollen, the blossoms on plants like cucumbers, squash, and watermelon would never develop into fruits and vegetables we eat. So that is one insect that you can choose, or you have chosen. So give me 2 reasons why honeybees are the most important. Earthworms, they are garden heroes. Their tunnels bring air into the soil and make it easier for water to drain. Too much water is bad for plants because it can lead to mold and mildew and prevent roots from getting oxygen that they need. As earthworms burrow, they ingest soil and eat the decomposing roots and leaves. When the dirt comes out the other end of the worm, that means when they poop out the dirt, it is finer and softer dirt full of nutrients. So if you chose earthworms, that is why. Or the robin. So the robin is one of the many species of birds that might come to the garden to snack on bugs. This is helpful because crickets, beetles, and grubs and slugs can all damage plants. Some gardeners go out of their way to attract insect-eating birds by providing them with small shrubs for cover and bird baths for drinking and bathing. So if you chose the robin, you're going to give me 2 reasons why the robin is the most important animal in the garden, okay? All right, guys, so you have 3, and I would suggest using the one you used yesterday. You have 3 options for the most important animal, or if you have a different idea, you can choose a different insect or animal in a garden that is the most important, okay? All right, guys, that is it for day 11. So I will see you tomorrow for day 12, okay? All right, bye, guys. Remember, you can rewatch this video if you need some help, okay? All right.